So yes, good morning everyone. Chapter 5, what books and burials tells us. Yesterday we already talked about the Vedas. They are the four Vedas, Rig Veda, Sama Veda, Yajur Veda and Atharva Veda. And the oldest Veda is Ayurveda Veda. It was composed about 3,500 years ago. Now the next one is, let's talk about cattle, horses and chariots. Cattle and horses were very important to people. Okay. We know this from the Rig Veda, which contain many hymns asking gods to bless people with cattle and horses. Each household had a number of cows. Dairy products such as butter and ghee, these are the products we get from the milk, were popular. Sura were a type of liquor which was drunk or common festival occasion. Another popular drink was soma. As you know that soma is the plant from which the special kind of drink formed, which was prepared from milk and the juice of a rare plant that grew on the mountains. People drank it and during a special religious ceremonies. Okay. Uh, why were the cow considered important? The question is this. Horses were important because they were yoked to chariot and they were used in wars, battles. They were used in battles. Most battles were fought for cattle, horses, land, and water. People performed sacrifices and made offering to different gods. The priests who performed this ritual and sacrifices were given cow, horses, gold, and cloth as a gift, as a reward. The king performed sacrifices in which the common people also participated. In course of time, ritual became so important that every important event was preceded by elaborate rituals. Okay, which kind of occupation was very common in that days? Like the agriculture and cattle rearing were main occupation. Other common occupation by chariot making, pottery making, weaving, jewelry making. Okay. Many people were praised beside conducting religious ceremonies or all rituals were performed with the help of priest. Priest also acted as a teacher and doctor. In that time, doctors. They passed on the knowledge of the Vedas to the children. They transferred the knowledge of Vedas to children verbally from one generation to another. And they also had a considered knowledge about the medicinal herbs. Okay, plants. Whenever someone fell ill, the priest and acted as a doctor. In this way, they acted as a doctor because they knew very well the important herbs which can cure the people, which can treat the people. Ornament of gold, silver, and other metal were worn by the both men and women, and the Vedas also make reference to footwear. So now let's word to describe people. The describe people beside the Aryans, those were performed, those knew the Hindi, Sanskrit. Okay, they were another group of people whom the Aryans called the Dasa and Dasyu. Their culture was different from that of the Aryans. So their occupation were different. They also spoke a different language. Most of the Dasa were perhaps enslaved. They were Das. And so the term Dasa later come to be mean slave because they follow their Malik, their owner only, their master. Most dasa had to do whatever work given to them by their master. All the time when the Vedas were being composed, there were important development in other parts of India. Okay, so in the next page we come to know the development. So that time first, the word megalith means big stones. The stone boulders are known as megalith, the literally big stones. At many time in the Deccan, South India, Northeast and Northwest, the Kashmir, huge stone boulder have been found. They are generally arranged in the circular pattern. Now I show you the picture. Stone boulder, okay? So as you can see in this picture, that the huge stone boulder have been found in these sites. So the South Indian side, Kashmir side, and they are generally, look at here, they are generally arranged in circular manner, circular pattern. They are generally arranged in circular pattern. They were perhaps used to mark the grave or burial sites, that any body, dead body put in the ground on that side, they shown. Okay, so they put mark on that this is burial sites. This stone boulder called megalith. So these stone boulder known as megalith. Lith means stone, megalith big stone boulder. Understood by all? Please show your digital thumb. Yes, the megalith have some special features. So the megalith means the burial were underground and megalith were placed on the surface to mark the burial site. These probably serve as a signpost. Second, what is the second feature of these megalith? The many objects have been found in the grave, including human skeleton. Look at this picture. Human skeleton, pottery, agriculture tool, weapons, ornament. A few agriculture tools have also been found here. This means for hunting, and more in number these are. So these suggested that through the megalith people practice agriculture. They depend more on hunting. The grave also contain a large number of pots. In some area, pots filled with ashes and charred bones have been found. Some grave contain fragment of rice and other grain. So we know that the people cultivated grains. Okay, now the object found in grave indicate the buried person position in the tribe. The grave that contain a large number of pots and ornament probably belong to those who were either rich or important in cities. You can see here the picture of pots which is found in these sites, the burial sites. As you can see, these kind of pots and the rice and grain other are kept in these pots which is can shown us that time these things were used by that people.